Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be sharing with my skincare routine which I personally follow on not on everyday basis, but yeah, I do it twice or thrice a week. So I am sure this video will be helpful for you even if you have acne, dry, dull skin. I am gonna fix it all in this video, so keep watching and let's get started. This is my skin, bare face, and I haven't done anything right now. So I'm gonna start with, I'm using this face scrub from Caffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Face Scrub. It's for normal to oily skin. I have oily skin, like my T-zones are oily, as you can see. So you have to scrub gently and in this circular motion. So don't forget your neck area. So you have to scrub it for 2 to 3 minutes and then rinse it off with normal water, or you can rinse it off with cold water as well. So now I'm done scrubbing and I have rinsed off my face with water, and you can see the difference. So this is my skin after scrubbing. After scrubbing your face, your skin feels dry, hence moisturize it immediately. Exfoliation helps in softening and toning your skin along with removing dirt. If you have acne prone skin or you fall victim of every monthly hormonal breakout, exfoliation is must for you. Regular exfoliating will help to remove build up dead skin cells that block your pores and cause those annoying breakouts. So when you scrub your face, you are removing the dead skin cells and exposing the fresher skin. Post scrubbing, make sure you wet your face with cold water to close the pores so that no dirt will enter. Secondly, when you scrub your face, you lose the natural oil, so make sure you moisturize immediately after scrubbing. Now second step, I'm using this Nykaa Clay Cool Mask. It's a daily detox clay mask from Nykaa. I don't use it regularly. I use twice or once a week depending on my skin. Many people are confused how often you should use face mask. So you should use face mask 1 to 3 times a week. So it looks like this. I'm applying it with a silicone brush. Applying it all over my face. So after applying it all over your face, you have to leave for 15 to 20 minutes. Now it's been 20 minutes already since I have applied it on my face. Now I'm gonna take it off, and you have to massage in circular motion. Don't take it out immediately. Pat dry it. This is how my skin looks right now after masking. So one thing which I like about this mask is it doesn't feel dry. I've just rinsed off my face with the normal water, but I don't feel any dryness on my skin. Face masks are perfect skincare treatments to help you treat your skincare concerns. Now I'm gonna use this ice cube. I know many of us don't know the benefits of using ice cube on the face. Benefits of rubbing ice cube on the face is key to glowing skin, enhances the product absorption, eliminates dark circles, constricts the skin pores, make your foundation look flawless, reduces the appearance of wrinkles on your face, and so on. So rubbing ice cube on your face has a lot of benefits. This also helps minimizing your pores. Now moving on to the skincare, I'm using Neutrogena Hydro Boost Toner. So I've taken it in a cotton pad and then you have to dab it on your skin. This is one of the most important part of your daily skincare routine. This toner lowers the skin pH level, helps prepare it for any moisturizer or serum that follows. It also helps to balance the skin after cleansing and before moisturizing. So after toner, I'm using this moisturizer from Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. So I am using gel based moisturizer because I have oily skin, but if you have dry skin, you should go for a cream based moisturizer. So you should apply a good amount of moisturizer. It's very important. Applying moisturizer correctly boosts hydration in your skin, prevents your skin from flaking and dullness, and creates a protective layer of moisture that lasts all day. This proper application of face cream will help anti-aging ingredients work better on your skin. So it has a lot of benefits and it's very important. Let's break it down into top 5 benefits of moisturizing. Is it prevents dryness, slow the signs of aging, help fight acne, protection from the sun, soothe sensitive. So these are the top 5 benefits of moisturizing, and it has a lot more benefits on your skin. So moisturizing your face keeps your skin healthy, glowing for a long time. Now after moisturizing my face, I'm gonna hydrate my lips using this Lanyard's lip sleeping mask in the flavor berry. That's how it looks. I just love this lip mask. My lips feel really hydrated and plumped. Also, my lips are very dry. In fact, in summer times as well, my lips are really dry. So I have to use a good lip mask. I have tried so many lip masks, but finally I'm stick to this for an year. I love it, but it's quite expensive. You can go for the cheaper one, but trust me, I have used so many lip balms from Nykaa, which is from Nykaa only. I really don't like it because when I apply it, it doesn't feel hydrated. Instead, my lips started feeling more dry after some times. So I will not recommend to use Nykaa. I have tried their all the lip balms, like all the flavors. I got this one flavor, I don't remember the flavor name. That was the lip balm which I really liked, but when I lost that, I have tried other flavors, 2-3 flavors more, but after applying it, lips start feeling more dry after sometimes. So I will recommend not to use Nykaa lip balms. I really don't like it. You can go for any other brand which you are using. I also don't like using Vaseline on my lips because after some time my lips start feeling more dry and my skin started coming off. So I really don't like it too. You can find your lip balm whichever you are using. If you're happy with it, it's good, and if not, you can try other brands also. That's absolutely fine. But if you are planning to buy a good lip mask, I really love this Lanyard's lip sleeping mask because I love the effect which it gives. Like when I apply it, my lips feel really hydrated. Like instantly it feels hydrated. It kind of plumps the lips, not too much, very little, but yeah, it does give some plumping effect, and I really love it. That was my skincare routine which I personally do. I hope it's helpful for you too, and thank you for watching. If you love this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.